How to find your wallet address with Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Trust Wallet and then ensure that you are logged in. Now, on the main wallet screen, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies you hold. If the specific cryptocurrency is not listed, you can also tap on the edit icon in the top right to search for and enable the desired cryptocurrency. Now, tap the cryptocurrency you want to receive, and once you have selected the cryptocurrency, tap on the receive option on the screen. You will then see a QR code along with the wallet address beneath it. Simply tap on the copy option to copy the wallet address to your clipboard. Alternatively, share the QR code or the address directly with the sender. So, this is how you can find your wallet address with Trust Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.